Hello Odoo users and welcome to our channel. In this video we will see how to export our customers and invoices from Odoo database to Procounter, and also we will look at how to fetch the payments from the Procounter. So let's get started. So first of all we will see how to export our customers. For that we will create some contact. So let's go to our contact section and create the new contact. So I am creating one new contact. Here I will add the dummy address of the same. I will add the address 2 lines. I will add the city. I will add the state from here and enter the zip code. And here I will add the phone number. I will add the email ID. After adding the email ID, I will save this contact. And as we go out, I will create a list view. In case if I want to export the customers in multiple manner, I will select the customers like this, and I will export it from the action button and export the customer to Procounter. And in case if I want to select only one customer and export it, I will open the customer details, go to action button and export the customer to Procounter. Here I will select my instance and export or update the customer. So as you can see, there is some issue for exporting this customer. We will go to our log process and check it. So for that we will open it and go to our log process, check the same, and the export issue is getting some error while export. So here is the error. I guess invalid email address is the error. So this is how you can check your error. Let's check what is the error with the email ID that I've mentioned. So here gmail.com. So yes, that is the process. So now we will mention the same process again. Let's export the customer. So now it is done successfully. So this was just to show you that if there are any errors occurring, the logs can tell us what is the error and we can check the same. So the customer is successfully exported now. Now let's go to our Procounter dashboard and refresh it. Here the customers will be exported. So let's go to the customer register, search for the customers, and the customer is seen over here. As you can see, Megal P Test is the customer that I have exported currently. And here is all the information of the customers along with the email ID, city, and all the data. So here is how we can export our customers. Our next step is to export our invoices. For that we will go to our invoicing and create a new invoice. So let's create a new invoice. I will add my name and add some products over here. So let's add some quantities and let's export it. So let's confirm the product. Now as we export our products, we will get Procounter details over here. That is Procounter's instance, invoice export checkmark, and Procounter invoice ID will be fetched over here. In case if you want to change the VAT status, delivery method, or invoice channel, you can change it from here. Now we will go over here to the action button and export our invoice to Procounter. We will select the instance and export the invoice. So as this is done successfully, we will see the Procounter invoice ID is fetched, the invoice is exported, and the Procounter instance is fetched over here. Now let's go over here and see the invoices. Now over here we will make the changes, go to sales invoice and search invoices. Here as you can see, the latest invoice is fetched over here with all the product details, quantity, and the preview as well. So that is how our invoice can be exported. In case if you want to export multiple invoices, we can select multiple invoices from here. We can go to action button and export the invoice to Procounter directly from here. So the invoice will be exported directly. So these are the ways to export the invoices from Odoo to our Procounter dashboard. So here, as you can go to the log one, you can see the successful logs are fetched over here. Invoice is done successfully. The customer was done successfully. And here as there was this error, I was not mentioning the proper email ID. So that was the error that was fetched over here. And this is how the logs are generated. For the log line, we can see what was the error over here, and this is how you can check the logbooks and logbook line. Now we will see how to fetch the payments. So for fetching the payments, we cannot show you the practical process as this is the demo version of the same. So as soon as any of the customer makes the payment in our Procountor dashboard of any of the invoices, the cron job will automatically run from our Odoo dashboard. So here we can see the cron. The cron will be running, and we have created a cron for fetch invoice payments. So for every 1 hours the cron will run, and invoices which are paid in our Procounter dashboard will be fetched over here while running the cron job, and it will be marked as paid in our Odoo database. So this is how the automation will run. Currently we cannot show you the same as we are using the demo version, and that is how we will fetch the payments from our Procounter dashboard to Odoo. Feel free to let us know if you face any issues for the same. Our team will be there to help you out. You can also write back to us at support@vrajatechnologies.com. Thank you.